Okay, you guys, this is going to be my junk trunk subscription box unpackaging. Well, it's not a box, it's an envelope, but it's a subscription something. So this is from I'm a Cool Mom on YouTube, and she does junk journaling. So she asked me to be on her design team, so I got this in advance. The junk trunks just went up for sale today, so if you're lucky you might be able to get your hands on one for January. But I'm going to show you what is in the January junk trunk kit, so if you're interested and following months, then you can get on top of that and join her. She also has the junk trunk on Facebook as well, and I will be doing tutorials for this, and I will make my own and you guys will see it. So I hope you join me along this fun little junk trunk journey, junk journal journey, I should say. It is my first time. I mean, I've done a lot of paper crafting, so I'm definitely not out of the loop with the paper community, but I've been more into the fabrics lately, so yeah. So there has been some spoiler videos out, but I'm not spoiling it for myself, so this is going to be all my first time seeing everything. Ooh! Aw, she has a little card here. So I'm going to open that first. Oh! And we have some, I think they call this ephemera. I'm not really sure, but it looks like some vintage clippings, and from a sewing pattern, which is so fitting since I'm a sewer. And then, oh, this is a fabric of some sort. I think it's a sticky fabric that has a sticker on the back and a little tag. Okay. Ashley, hooray for being on my design team. Thank you. Do what you wish with your kit. Love, Jessica. Aw, so cute. Very nice. Okay, let's get into it. We'll put those things aside. Put that aside. This is called Retro Vibes. Welcome to January Junk Trunk Kit. This month has many unique pieces we can use to make a variety of different types of journals. I have included items from many talented shops. See the list below. What are you waiting for? Let's get crafty. So there's a list of Etsy shops that have contributed, which is pretty neat. So if you're interested in some of their stuff, then you can go and purchase more. So I heard she was doing some sort of vinyl. So you get right off the bat this big piece of faux leather. And this is pretty neat. I didn't know they made it like this. It has like a felt backing, so that's pretty cool. So we will use that for the outside of the book. Okay, so the first thing I see is, oh, this is for the tassel. So you get all these beads, and she's got the eye pins and everything in here, and some bead caps, and then the little Tim Holtz keychain there. Very cool. Oh, and she also has some string, some fishing wire. Very cute. The bags might be a little reflective. Ah! Don't lose anything. So this is the Tim Holtz keychain that she loves to use. And then we have literally everything you need to embellish a tassel. So that's awesome. I love how literally no detail is spared with Jessica. She makes sure that you have everything you need so that you don't need to run out and purchase something. And especially in my case, I might not have everything because I don't do this often. So if you're new to junk journaling and you just want to try it out, you can just grab a kit and you don't need anything. You have it all there for you. So this is from Armour Fabrics, a shop for the creative minds. The Etsy shop is Armour Fabrics. And they give you a little admit one. That's cute. So in here we have some fabric, some trim. We have some cute little buttons that have the shank buttons. Very cute. And it also, she's going for a teal theme with the beads there, so that kind of ties in together. This looks like something my grandmother would have. It looks like Italian. And then some gingham fabrics, blue and red. And then some black bottom pie, eggnog chiffon pie. Christmas pie. Oh my goodness. Do I even want to use this? I think I would just want to make this stuff. Pineapple mallow pie, chocolate mallow pie. Oh my. Maybe I'll write these down before I use it. Super, super neat. I love that. Thank you, Armour Fabrics. Okay, so this piece is from Victorian Gypsy Girl on Etsy. And it is some, I think it's vintage binding for sewing. So it's definitely to add texture to your junk journal. The whole idea of junk journal is you go through all your stuff and just kind of de-stash and make it something, make something out of nothing. So now we're going to move on to the next thing, and we have this really pretty envelope. And the great thing about Jessica is that everything she includes in the kit, even the bags that she packages things, she wants you to use everything. So this bag can be used in your kit. Alright. We got another little button in there. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh, these are totally vintage. So cute. They're like pearlized buttons. Oh my. I love vintage. Oh, and this just takes me back to when I was a child and I had to sign out my books in school. Every time my daughter comes home with a library book, I look in the back and see if they still have one, depending on the age of the book, and I always check to see if my name is there. I'm hoping one day she'll bring one home that has my name on it, because she goes to the school that I went to. So we got this tag, a layaway tag, very cool. I'm not sure what this material is. It's like that wax paper. Here's a bag. This is a card. So all this stuff can be slipped into your junk journal to use for layering or to, you know, put pictures on and such. Some more fabric. Very pretty. And some Pictionary cards. That's neat. We have a guess check. just some white pieces of paper. So like I said, she gives you literally everything, so. Alright. To the next one. This is Above Par Crafts. So that is another contributor. This is a ephemera pack. Your time is up. Oh, please return your library book. Cute. And another card. Hopefully I'm not too blurry. And then in here we have this adorable little twine on a spool. A for sale tag. Very vintage looking. Another tag. And then her business card. Thank you for purchasing Jessica's Junk Trunk Kit. She has kindly collaborated with us, and included in this bags are samples of items we carry on our shop. So Above Par Crafts. So that's a very nice little pack they included. Okay. So she included some printables. Very cute. Vintage. So many, oh my goodness. You can do the whole entire book. And the thing about junk trunks is that they don't have to be journals. They could be a recipe book or a calendar or a traveler's notebook. Wow, that's a lot. So neat. Shopping for the week, what worked well this week. Super neat. And then she put in some dyed papers. I think she likes to coffee dye her papers. And then we have, oh, remember this paper when you were learning how to print? Excel, Brass, and by Fox River. Another page out of a recipe book. Some pieces of paper out of a vintage book. And some more pages. It looks like it's out of a poetry book. So cute. And then she puts in an envelope that can be slipped in the pages. And I'm not sure what this is. I think she calls it ledger paper, but I don't know if I'm correct or not. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And then again, a nice piece of that fabric. There was a little strip of it earlier. You know, you could do the inside of the book with this and then the outside with that black leather. That would be really cute. So maybe I could do that. And then last but not least, she gives you all you need to make a absolutely fantastic tassel. Because you want a nice big chunky tassel hanging off of this thing. And she also gives you this type of lace to maybe sew on the edges of your tables to make it nice and big and chunky. So very nice laces. Some of them are vintage. Oh, this looks risque. And then this is some big chunky ribbon. And then all this is very dainty ribbon, perfect for that tassel. I think all these colors together would look so pretty together. And then you put some white in there. Oh yeah. And then all the beads. I'm so excited to make this tassel, I have no idea. I think I'm more excited with the tassel than anything. And then some more twine, and I think this is like, yep, elastic. So yeah, so that is everything, which is a lot for the price that you pay. I don't exactly know the exact amount, but it's not very much. So definitely head over to I'm a Cool Mom, her YouTube channel, and then she also has the Junk Trunk Facebook page, and Cool Mom Boutique, I think, is the one on it's her Etsy shop. I will link everything down below so you won't have any issues finding it. So if you're interested in learning and watching me through this process, I'll probably be doing some live streams just because I can't say exactly what I'll be doing, but I'm just going to be probably hanging out and crafting and stuff. So definitely stick around for those. I also will be having a giveaway very soon for hitting my 10,000 subscriber mark. So thank you everyone who is subscribed to my channel. Stick around for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you if you're coming from Jessica's I'm a Cool Mom's YouTube channel. Thank you very much for coming over and checking out my video, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye guys!